Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Tag Manager from your website, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Tag Manager account. Select the account that corresponds to the website you want to uninstall Tag Manager from. Once you're in the desired account, click on the Admin tab located in the navigation menu. Next, find the Container column, which is typically right next to the Account column. Click on the drop-down menu and select the container associated with your website. In the Container settings, look for the Install Google Tag Manager section. You will see a code snippet that was added to your website. Take note of this snippet, as it will be crucial for the uninstallation process. Now, navigate to your website's code editor or content management system. Locate the web pages where the Google Tag Manager code snippet was added. This code usually appears in two places, inside the head tag and just after the body tag. Carefully remove both instances of the Google Tag Manager code snippet from your site. Ensure that you do not delete any other code to avoid disrupting your website's functionality. After removing the snippets, save the changes to your website. Now, return to your Google Tag Manager account. In the Admin panel, consider deleting the container if you no longer need it. Click on Container Settings. At the bottom of the Settings page, you will find the option to delete. Confirm the deletion if you wish to permanently remove the container. Finally, monitor your website for any issues to ensure that everything is functioning correctly without Google Tag Manager. Once you're satisfied that the uninstallation has been successful, you have completed the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.